You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this verb, the three forms of the same verb. The verb is to say, that's the spelling on your left, S-A-Y, say. You can hear two sounds. There's a diphthong, say. Now, the other two are says, only the A sound, says, and it's a Z sound, not an S sound. So that's your middle one, S-A-Y-S, says. He says he likes my pronunciation. Now, the past tense is said, just like says, but with a D sound. Say, says, said. Say, says, said. Can you hear the difference? Let me know in the comments. Was this any useful? Let me know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.